Hello everyone, this is IT Network. Today I'm going to show you different troubleshooting steps if you're having issue with the printer. So if you're having issues with different issues with the printer, such as your printer is showing offline on your Windows system, your printer is not responsive, your printer won't print, or your printer stops during the process of printing, then I have come up with the different troubleshooting steps that will hopefully help your printer uh, come back to normal and run. So the first step that you can try is um, you need to check the connection between your PC and the printer. um, Make sure that the printer and the PC are connected to each other. You can just check the IP of your PC, check the IP of your printer. So you can use the different apps to check the IP of the devices that are connected to the network. So if you go to this advanced IP scanner and scan the network, and if you type your printer name or printer name, then you can see the printer is on the network and it's 10.1.2.11. So when I try to ping 10.1.2.11, the printer is reachable from the PC. So you need to make sure that the printer is reachable. So if your printer is connected through the USB connection, you need to make sure that the appropriate proper USB has been selected. To do that, you can just go to device manager and printer, print use. So this is the printer in my case, and the printer seems to be showing over here. What you also can do is you can go to the control panel and all control panel, hardware and sound, device and printer. So if this is your printer, you need to right click over here and printer properties and ports. So you need to make sure that if your device is connected, if your printer is connected through the USB connection, you need to make sure that the right port has been selected on your printer properties. So you can if you are not able to find the right port, you can just switch between these you can just switch between these ports and you can try connecting to the right port. So you need to make sure that the printer the right port has been selected. And the next step you can try is you can um, set your printer as a default printer. This also helps to fix the issue. So when you go to the control panel and hardware and sound, device and printer, and when you need to select your printer and right click and set as default printer. This also helps to fix the issue that you're having. The next step that you can try is clear the print queues that are stuck on the printer print queues. So you can go to the control panel hardware and sound and device and printer. So select your printer, right click, see what's printing, and if the print tags are stuck on the print queues, then you'll see the list over here. You need to click on that tags and just right click and cancel it and remove all those queues. Once it is once the queues is clear, then you can try printing again. This will help to fix your printer issues. You can also try to reset the services that manages the printing queues. Uh, to do that, go to services, and search for the print spooler and restart this service. So this service seems to be running, but you can just right click on it and restart the service. And once you restart the service, once the service has been restarted, you can just try printing again. Your issue should be fixed by restarting the print spooler service. And the fifth troubleshooting step that you can try to fix your printer issue is you need to make sure that your printer is not offline on the printer settings. So to check that, you need to go to the printer and scanner and select your printer. So this is the printer in my case. Open queue, and when you click over here, you need to make sure that use printer offline is unchecked, and if it is checked, your printer might be showing offline and your printer might be having issue. So make sure that use printer offline is unchecked. The sixth troubleshooting step you can try to fix your printer issues is you can run the troubleshoot printer. To do that, you can just right click on your printer and click on troubleshoot. So it's gonna take a bit of time to detect the issue, and once the issue is detected, you should see an option that shows apply this fix, and when you click on that apply this fix and click next, you should be the Windows should be able to fix that issues. So in my case, I'm just closing the troubleshooter. So the seventh troubleshooting steps you can try to fix your printer issues is you can just try to restart your printer. Just go to the printer, power off the printer, and after 30 seconds to 1 minute, just power it back on and try printing. This should be able to resolve your printer issues. Yeah, so sometimes restarting your printer might solve the issues, and you can try that one as well. The next troubleshooting techniques or step that you can try is you can try removing the printer from your Windows and reinstalling back again. So you can just click on remove device, and once the printer is removed, you can again go to this control panel, hardware and sound, device and printer, and add printer, and you can just if you know the IP of your printer, you can just go to the printer that I want isn't listed, and try reinstalling the printer back again. So you need to put the IP of your printer and click on next, and you need to choose the driver and finally install the printer and try printing. So sometimes this also helps to resolve the issues and fix your printer issues. So the ninth troubleshooting steps that you can try to fix your printer issues is to update your driver. The printer driver is usually responsible for communicating with your computer, and sometimes the driver becomes outdated or incompatible due to some reason, and sometimes you may install the faulty driver, which might be the issues. And to fix that, you can just uninstall the faulty driver and replace with the appropriate one. And if you want, you can download the drivers from your official websites, but be careful. You need to avoid downloading the drivers from the third party, as they may be loaded with the malware, and that can cause your computer to malfunction. So to do that, you can just go to control panel and hardware and sound, device and printer, and click your device and go to print server properties and drivers, and you can just select the driver, select the printer driver that is giving the problem or that is already installed, and click on remove. And once it is removed, you can just click on add to add the drivers, and next, and choose in my case it's 64-bit, so it's 64, and you can have a print driver selection, and in my case it's Konica Minolta C368 series, and next, and finish. So once the driver is installed, you can close this and you can start, you can try printing again. Hopefully this will help to resolve your printer issues. So the 10th troubleshooting step that you can try is restarting your PC. You can restart your PC and try printing again. Sometimes this will help to fix your printer issues as well. So these were the 10 troubleshooting steps to fix your printer issues. Hopefully this video will help you to fix your printer, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.